Did you know that the high-ticket product market is worth trillions of dollars? That's a huge opportunity for you to earn big. But let's be honest, selling high-ticket products is not easy. It requires hard work, dedication, and the right strategies. In this video, I'll give you the tools you need to succeed in this field. So if you're ready to work smart towards financial freedom, keep watching. Key strategies. 1. Know your target audience. The first thing you must do before selling any high-ticket product is to understand your target audience thoroughly. Who are they? What are their needs and desires? What kind of problems are they looking to solve? For example, let's say we have a software company called XY. Their target audience could be small business owners who need to automate their marketing processes. What would the needs and desires of this audience be? They could be saving time and money, increasing efficiency, or generating more leads and sales. Once you understand your target audience, you can create messages and offers that resonate with them, tailored to their needs, and make them feel like your product is the perfect solution to their problems. 2. Create an irresistible offer. Your offer must be so attractive that it's impossible for your potential customers to refuse it. This means you must offer a high-quality product or service that truly solves a significant problem for your target audience. Additionally, your offer should include a price that is fair for the value you provide. Don't be afraid to charge a premium price for a high-ticket product, as your customers will be willing to pay if they truly believe it's worth it. An example could be offering an online digital marketing course aimed at small business owners, the benefits of which would be learning effective marketing strategies, increasing web traffic, generating more leads and sales, etc., and the price could be $997. 3. Build trustworthy relationships. Selling high-ticket products is not just about closing a sale. It's about building trustworthy relationships with your potential customers. Take the time to get to know your potential customers and understand their individual needs. Show them that you are an expert in your field and that you are genuinely interested in helping them achieve their goals. For example, you could offer a free consultation to understand the client's specific needs and demonstrate how your product can help them achieve their goals. 4. Use effective persuasion techniques. There are various persuasion techniques you can use to increase your chances of selling high-ticket products. We will talk about them in more detail in another video, but some of the most effective ones are: social proof. Show your potential customers that other people have bought and are satisfied with your product. This would be the testimonials. Scarcity. Create a sense of urgency by offering your product for a limited time or in limited quantities. You have surely seen the only 5 places available, or the offer ends in X days. Reciprocity. Offer something of value for free to your potential customers before asking them to buy your product. This way, apart from showing them that you understand and that you will be able to solve your problem, they will feel somewhat indebted. 5. Follow an effective sales process. There is no magic formula for selling high-ticket products, but there is a process you can follow to increase your chances of success. This process includes: 1. Prospecting. Define your ideal target audience. Who are your ideal customers? What are their demographics, interests, and needs? Create a prospect list. You can use different methods to generate a prospect list, such as online search, attending events, or purchasing lead lists. Qualify your prospects. Not all prospects are created equal. You need to qualify them to determine if they are really interested in your product and if they have the potential to become customers. Let's see how you can do this. 2. Qualification. Ask your prospects about their needs and goals. This will help you determine if your product is the right solution for them. Evaluate their budget. Make sure your prospects can afford your product. Research their purchase history. This will give you an idea of whether they are likely to buy high-ticket products. 3. Presentation. Start with a question that sparks your prospect's interest. Present the benefits of your product in a clear and convincing way. It's not about describing the features of your product, but about showing them how your product can help them. Use stories and examples to illustrate how your product can help. 4. Handling objections. Expect your prospects to have objections. It's normal for people to have doubts before buying a high-ticket product. Be prepared to answer the most common objections. Have a response ready for each objection that may arise. Don't take objections personally. Remember, objections are simply a way for your prospects to get more information about your product. 5. Closing the sale. Ask for the sale with confidence. Don't be afraid to ask your prospect to buy your product. Offer different payment options. This can make it easier for your prospects to purchase. Follow the sales process through to the end. Don't forget to thank your prospects for their time and follow up with them after the sale. 6. Be patient and persistent. Selling high-ticket products takes time and effort. Don't expect immediate results. Be patient, persistent, and keep working hard, and you will eventually achieve your goals. So let's summarize the steps. First, know your target audience. Second, create an irresistible offer. Third, build trust-based relationships. Fourth, use effective persuasion techniques. Fifth, follow an effective sales process. Sixth, be patient and persistent. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to success in this field. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more about selling high-ticket products effectively. See you in the next video.